Designing piping systems in AutoCAD Plant 3D takes time. Expert Designer Tools by 3DEH brings every step of that workflow into one connected suite. It starts with a single, unified interface that launches every module you need right inside Plant 3D. Expert PDF Designer turns your drawings into clean, professional PDF output ready to issue in seconds. The PNID to 3DE automation engine reads your PNID and builds the 3D model for you, cutting modeling time from days to minutes. The Pipe Data app gives you instant access to every pipe, fitting, and line number in your project, organized and searchable. Need a new specification? The Spec Data Creator app builds piping specs from your own standards, fast and error-free. The Project Data Creator app automates project-wide data entry, keeping every drawing consistent from day one. And the Spec Automation app applies your specifications automatically across the model, so nothing slips through the cracks. Beyond automation, Expert Designer Tools includes a full library of custom Plant 3D components: gate, ball, check, and globe valves, engineered with a superior look, in classes 1950 to 2500, from 1/2 inch to 24 inches, complete with unique bolts. Every valve family, modeled precisely, ready to drop straight into your project. Even the details are covered, with custom grating and pipe shoe components built to match. From data automation to custom components, Expert Designer Tools covers the full piping design workflow in one suite. Visit 3DEH.com to see it in action.